Hi, welcome back to the channel. We are in the Breacon Beacons in Wales. Currently walking up to the Black Mountains. We're partaking in the world record attempt for collective bivvy bagging. You might have seen the page on Facebook. You might well be participating yourself. But yeah, we're just starting out. We're going to bring you along. Easy. Yeah.
Trick point. Oh yeah, they're coming over. So obviously tonight we're in the bivvies, but the dog won't fit in the bivvies with us, so she's got Palace. She's got the Lanchan too. A dog palace for the evening, and we've got a few bags. We've got a homemade MRE thing going, and amazing view. Some people have gone over that end to set up a tent. You can barely see them, and it's quite a vast space, so that's all good. And I've got this, the last of the 7-cider pack that James got me for Christmas, and this is the Perry, which I saved to last because generally I don't really like Perry, but I'm sure it's fine. I'll drink it anyway. Actually really nice. Would have again. Which is unusual because usually Perry tastes like perfume, but this one's really, really nice. So well done, James. You chose well.
That's a nice alarm clock. Thank you. Thank you. Hello. Go and get in the tent. Go on, stop being a dickhead. How'd you sleep?
Probably better than you. Oh, they're not great. It was pretty windy last night and I was quite cold even though I was in the tent.
I kept falling off my mat. It's too big to fit inside my bivvy. I need a different bivvy bag apparently.
You need a bigger bivvy bag, I think.
Well, yeah, I mean,
Bigger, wider.
it's exactly the right size, but
Only for you.
yeah, only for me and my sleeping bag, not for anything else. What are you looking at, dog? Oh, I've got every single layer on.
So I elected to stay in the tent last night with the dog because apparently she can't sleep in the tent on her own. She was crying and whining. So I think James was a preferred dog person, but James is in the bivvy, so I came in the tent with the dog. And it was really cold, even in the tent. Very windy last night. A couple of times where I woke up and I thought that the outer might just disappear off into the night because it was so windy. But we had all our guy lines out, so clearly that made all the difference. It's quite the view this morning, if not a little misty. But it is meant to some is meant to come out today. Aww. Put some water on for breakfast. Got these this morning. Just putting the tent away.
Right money for it.
Stalling the virtues of it.
Good tent.
You're attached to me, dog. I can't go under there with you. Mama, what are you doing? Telling them to go home. Pulled me towards this several times. So the mist's really come in now, and we could see across the other side there was actually a few people camping on that side, and now you can't really see anything. Just the mist. So we're all packed up and left no trace. So where I was just in front. You would never know that we were here. So we're going to head back down the hill towards the car park. It is cold. What a difference a day makes. Yesterday it was blazing sun and it's taking layers off, although it's still pretty cold. And now it's just mist. It's bitter cold. It's mist everywhere, but it's not wet, and so we should be grateful for that, really. That's how cold it is. There is a little tiny bit of ice, although we didn't have any frost, did we, around our...
That little nook we were in, no.
No. Quite lucky like that. The tent was frost free and so was the bivvy, so it was quite because I think with frost it would have been even colder than it already was. But I guess because you were close to the tent, it was nice and like warm in that little radius of bodies. The dog is a hot water bottle just on her own, isn't she? So your mat's wet. Condensation from inside? No, because it was outside, wasn't it?
Yeah, I mean, that's probably where the frost didn't freeze on me.
Yeah. James had a little pool of water under his mat.
This is my favourite type of path.
Uneven and rocky.
This is the type of path I nearly broke my ankle on West Island Way. So yeah, I was pretty frost free on my bivvy this morning. Although my mat was wet, my climate static V, you're allowed to camp on snow with it. Bullshit. Back again. Camera difficulties, so cold. So yeah, my suggestion for future bivvy world record attempts, let's do it in May.
Let's do it when it's warm.
I didn't really have any frost on me, but all the condensation must have been underneath me because my mat was wet. Which I was just telling the other camera before it died.
It's too cold.
Where it go, GoPro.
Yeah.
£100 for a camera that can't deal with a little bit of cold. Phones work, I don't understand. So we're headed back now, all the way along this ridge, down the valley, to about where you can't see, about where the car is.
We've got good hair, haven't we?
That's why Bad Hair Adventures. So that's our little mini adventure over. Our bivvy bag world record attempt participation award badge, whatever. It's bloody cold.
Yeah, it's freezing. My hands are freezing.
It's like 1 degree out there at the minute.
Dog is unhappy.
The dog is unhappy. We're going to go and find a somewhere to get a coffee and something to eat.
And some reception, so
And
that
some
we can
reception.
actually post the photo, otherwise it's all been a bit pointless.
Yeah.
Although to be fair, I
I've got-
did still enjoy, you know, being out.
Yeah, I've got an hour and 3/4 to post that photo.
Midday.
Well, thank you for joining us, guys. And if you like that content, so that's how cold it is. My brain's not working. Click the like button. You can always subscribe. And why not leave us a comment? And we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now, guys. Bye, 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 bye.
Keep that in.